માઇક્રોફિન લિમિટેડના આઈપીઓ લોન્ચ પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સમાં આપનું ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત છે. મુથુટ માઇક્રોફાઇનાન્સ લિમિટેડ ભારતની 5th લાર્જેસ્ટ એનબીએફસી એમએફઆઈ છે. સાઉથ ઇન્ડિયાની 3rd લાર્જેસ્ટ એનબીએફસી એમએફઆઈ છે અને કેરલા તમિલનાડુની ધ લાર્જેસ્ટ એમએફઆઈ છે. આઈપીઓની તમને માહિતી આપું તો આઈપીઓ ખુલે છે 18 ડિસેમ્બર અને આઈપીઓ ક્લોઝ થાય છે 20મી ડિસેમ્બરે. કાલે 15મી ડિસેમ્બરે આઈપીઓનું 15મી ડિસેમ્બરે આઈપીઓનું એન્કર બુક ઓપન થઈને ક્લોઝ થશે. આઈપીઓની પ્રાઇસ બેન્ચ છે 277,291. મિનિમમ બિડ quantity bid numbers 51 shares. Issue size 960 crores. Fresh issue of 760 crores. 200 crore OFS છે. આપણી સાથે કંપનીના મેનેજમેન્ટમાંથી શ્રી થોમસ જોન મુથુટ, ગ્રુપ ચેરમેન મુથુટ પાપાચન ગ્રુપ, શ્રી થોમસ મુથુટ, મેનેજિંગ ડાયરેક્ટર મુથુટ માઇક્રોફિન લિમિટેડ, श्री सदफ सैयद सीईओ मुथूट माइक्रोफिन लिमिटेड, श्री प्रवीण टी सीएफओ मुथूट माइक्रोफिन लिमिटेड और श्री उदय सुल्लास चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर मुथूट माइक्रोफिन लिमिटेड और हूँ रजत रावल आईसीआईसीआई सिक्योरिटी. हूँ श्री थॉमस जॉन मुथूट जी ने रिक्वेस्ट करीश के पेला कंपनी तमने थोड़ी माहिती आपे ए पछी कंपनीનું પ્રેઝન્ટેશન થશે. થેન્ક યુ સર.
I am Thomas John Muthoot, Chairman of Muthoot Papachan Group and MD of Muthoot Fincorp Limited. Today we are here before you to give you some insights on Muthoot Microfin and its journey so far. Muthoot Microfin is part of the Muthoot Papachan Group and the majority stake of Muthoot Microfin is held by the flagship company Muthoot Fincorp Limited and the promoters, and we will continue to hold the majority stake post issue also. The unique proposition here is that we cater to the low income households across the NBFCs we have. Muthoot Microfinance is the second largest NBFC within the group, and Muthoot Fincorp Limited is the largest in the group. The purpose, values and the vision of all the companies are shared, and the higher purpose for the business is to cater to the low income household and improve their financial well-being. We have decades of experience in catering to these segment of customers, and our strength lies in understanding these customers and bringing more new products for these customers. So with these words I conclude and wish you all the best, and we expect a good interaction from you. Thank you very much.
Muthoot Microfin. Muthoot Microfin had a very humble beginning about 13 years ago. As mentioned in the RHP, the company was started with the aim of acquiring customers into the Muthoot ecosystem. We acquire customers through Muthoot Microfinance, and as they grow the economic ladder, we see that they are in need of much more products. So we introduce other lifetime need-based financial products to these customers. This is very unique to Muthoot Microfinance as compared to its peers. A customer can avail of a gold loan or an individual loan or purchase a two-wheeler or used car or avail funds for home renovation. In this manner, we are able to retain our customers within the group. Muthoot Microfin has grown its business in a very organic manner, keeping the ideals followed by the Muthoot Papatan Group. Muthoot Microfin has come a long way in creating women entrepreneurs, which today stands at 32 lakh live customers. Our growth has come from acquiring new to credit customers and expanding our reach to 18 states and through a branch network of 1,340 branches. Our CEO, Mr. Sadaf, will take you through a detailed presentation of the company. Thank you once again.
Chief Executive Officer of the company. I'm the founding CEO of this business. I've been with the group for last 13 years. Mr. Praveen T is the CFO. He's also been with the group for last 10 years. Mr. Udish Ullas is the Chief Operating Officer. He's been with the group for last 15 years. Muthoot Microfin is a part of Muthoot Papatan Group. Collectively, we represent Muthoot Papatan Group, which is a leading conglomerate in Kerala and India. We are diversified business conglomerate. हमारे business interest we are diversified business conglomerate with the interest in automotive. We have dealerships of Jaguar, Land Rover, we have dealership of Tata, we have other vehicle dealerships. We are into hospitality. We have a couple of 5-star hotel like Taj Kovalam Hotel is a property owned by us, managed by Taj. We have another Hilton property in Trivandrum owned by us, managed by Hilton. And we have real estate, IT infrastructure, precious metal and alternate energy business. But our core is financial services. हमारे ग्रुप में 4 बड़ी NBFC हैं. The biggest being Muthoot Fincorp, which is into gold finance business. The second largest is the company that we are talking today, Muthoot Microfin, which is 10,800 crores of asset under management. हम microfinance business में हैं, which is on a Grameen model of lending, joint liability group of ladies. We make a group of 10 to 15 ladies and give them a loan and recover over a period of 24 months time. Apart from that, हमारे ग्रुप में एक और कंपनी है जो सब्सिडी है मुथूट फिनकॉर्प की, मुथूट हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड. वो अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग स्पेस में है. एवरेज टिकट साइज उसमें भी करीब 5 लाख का है. एंड मुथूट कैपिटल सर्विसेज हमारी 2-wheeler फाइनेंस कंपनी है. Put together, what we want to say here is we are committed to the bottom of the pyramid and lower economic strata of the society. We have a long history of experience, overall 130 years of existence, last 50 years in NBFC space. So this is the 3rd generation which is running the business. Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Mr. John Muthoot and Mr. George Muthoot represent the 3rd generation which is running the business. Apart from the wealth of experience that they have, they bring into this space is the investment that they have made in this company. As Mr. John Muthoot said, currently also close to 70% is held by the promoter group into our company. What is unique in Muthoot Microfin? Muthoot Microfin, we are focusing at the low and lower middle income category of customer, and this is not only for Muthoot Microfin, this is the group philosophy. All the businesses that we run are focused at the bottom of the pyramid. So we don't look at a customer from a point of view of only microfinance loan. We look at a customer from a point of view of life cycle needs. अगर कस्टमर को कल के दिन में कुछ बिजनेस लोन चाहिए तो वो भी हम मुथूट फिनकॉर्प से प्रोवाइड करते हैं. कुछ इमरजेंसी लोन चाहिए वो भी मुथूट फिनकॉर्प से. कुछ 2-wheeler फाइनेंस चाहिए तो हम कैपिटल फाइनेंस मुथूट कैपिटल से प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अगर हमें कुछ होम रिनोवेशन होम इम्प्रूवमेंट लोन चाहिए तो हम मुथूट हाउसिंग फाइनेंस से प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ये हमारे लिए क्रॉस सेल अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो किसी और माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी के पास नहीं है. इससे हमें एडिशनल रेवेन्यू मिलता है. वी गेट रेवेन्यू फॉर sourcing this business and servicing the customer. ownership of the customer remains with us. हमारा core business income generating loan का है. 93% of our assets are income generating loan, but we have the opportunity of cross selling this business also as the customer progress in its journey. So that's the key difference that we bring to the table. We are, as of September, the 5th largest NBFC in the country and 3rd largest in South. We are 10,800 crores of asset under management with presence in 18 states and union territory. We are covering 339 districts with 1,340 branches. We are a CRISIL A+ rated entity and we are catering to close to 3.2 million customers. जो यूनिक एस्पेक्ट है हमारे बिजनेस की इज वी आर अ टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी. वी हैव अ कंप्लीट इन हाउस टीम विच इज डेवलप्ड आवर टेक्नोलॉजी, loan management system, loan origination system, customer app, everything is developed in house. And the most unique aspect that we have developed is a Mahila Mitra app. That is a customer app. That is really empowering kind of a tool. I'll explain in my presentation further. Out of the 3.2 million customer, 1.5 million customer, 15 lakh customer आज के दिन में इस ऐप पे हैं. और because of this app, the main purpose of this app is to digitize our collection. 100% of our disbursement is already digital. हम एक भी रुपया कैश में डिस्बर्स नहीं करते. सारा मनी कस्टमर के बैंक अकाउंट में डिस्बर्स होता है. जो कस्टमर के पास बैंक अकाउंट है उसको हम लोन नहीं देते. जो नहीं है अगर बैंक अकाउंट तो लोन नहीं देते. और हमारा इंक्रीमेंटली 33% कलेक्शन भी डिजिटल आ रहा है. दैट इज कमिंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स वॉलेट और कस्टमर्स बैंक अकाउंट टू आवर बैंक अकाउंट. सो दैट इज द यूनिक थिंग दैट वी आर डूइंग एज कंपेयर टू द माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमने टेक्नोलॉजी अंडर राइटिंग में भी यूज करी है. हमने इक्विफैक्स के साथ एक क्रेडिट स्कोर कार्ड बनाया दैट इज यूनिक एंड प्रोप्राइटरी स्टफ एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी आर एबल टू अंडर राइट आवर लोन बेटर. और हमारा जीएनपीए आज के दिन में एज ऑफ सितंबर 2.37% है और नेट एनपीए 0.33% है. Our ROA, this is for the 6-month period, so this has to be analyzed. ROA is 2.616% and ROE is 11.06%. हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी 2010 में. दैट इज व्हेन आई जॉइंड द ग्रुप. वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ एज एन एसबीयू विद इन फिनकॉर्प बट विद अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि जब हम स्केल अप कर देंगे तो एक सेपरेट कंपनी कार्व करेंगे. 2015 में हमें एनबीएफसी एमएफआई लाइसेंस मिला आरबीआई से. तब हमने बिजनेस कार्व करा. हमने पहला अपना प्राइवेट इक्विटी राउंड एक्सटर्नल कैपिटल रेज किया था 2016 में फ्रॉम क्रिएशन, अ शिकागो बेस्ड प्राइवेट इक्विटी फर्म. सॉरी, they invested like a vegetable vendor. 100% of our loan is given to ladies, so they are typically engaged in some vegetable vending or a kirana shop kind of a business, or at the household they are managing a cattle or something like that. And our repayment rate, if you look at, we are 99% repayment on time. Our GNPA is 2.37% as of September. But if you look at incremental portfolio that we have built post-COVID, which is 97% of our book, in that the GNPA is only 0.67%.
And the rate of interest?
The average rate of interest is 23.5%.
So you have mentioned that about 1.5 lakh customers have not downloaded your app. Then how they make digital payments?
So we have both models. So one thing I would like to mention that though we are promoting digital, we still remain a very touch-focused organization. So we have not done away with the center meeting concept or the touch with the customer. So rest of the customer, 33% of the customer pay through digital. Rest of the customer pay through cash, which is managed by our field team, and they collect the cash in the center meeting.
What is the status of the reception against the MD regarding the deposit of cash during the demonetization?
So we have made all the disclosure in the RHP. There is nothing further to disclose here. As of now, there is no further development on that.
On financial front, the company has posted steady growth on top lines, but in bottom lines, if we look at the earnings of 23, the bottom line jumped 6 times. What is the reason?
So if you look at, sir, in the current quarter, Q1 and Q2, we have reported a ROA of around 4.2%. And consistently for the last 3 quarters, including the Q4, we are reporting a PAT of around 100 crores every quarter. So for the last financial year, we have reported a PAT of around 203 crore. And this is actually a very good year where we are growing rapidly, and also it's a clean year as compared to any COVID overlap. So the profits are really kicking in now.
Based on 23rd year, your price to book value is 2.38 and the PE comes around 23.48. When the Bandhan and Ujjivan SFD and this fusion all are trading below this PE. So how you justify?
So, sir, on the pricing, we have done extensive road shows, and we have met a lot of foreign institutional investors, domestic investors, and BRLMs have advised us to keep the price band as 291. We feel that this is a fair pricing. We bring to the table a very unique proposition on microfinance organization which is backed by a well-prominent group, Muthoot Microfin group, which is very well known. It's a technology-driven microfinance organization which has a very strong liability franchise. We have a strong team of management which is completely independent, all professionals who are running this business and running for a very long time. So I think for that, we feel that this is a fair price.
Okay.
Thank you.